How to check mileage in TVS BS6 two-wheelers. During purchase of a two-wheeler in India, mileage of the vehicle is considered as an important factor by most of the customers, in addition to other features and benefits. Now, all TVS BS6 two-wheelers come with EFI, electronic fuel injection system, which gives you a smoother and enjoyable riding experience with optimized fuel economy, that is mileage. However, the on-road mileage of vehicle is dependent on several factors like road condition, quality of fuel, riding speed, operation of clutch and brake, tire pressure, maintenance, and timely servicing of the vehicle, load, etc. Hence, will differ from the mileage given under standard test conditions such as made in recognized institute. Do you know filling 100 rupees worth of petrol for your vehicle will give more or less distance compared to yesterday? Quantity of petrol varies daily with respect to petrol price. Method of checking mileage. TVS BS6 two-wheelers. Mileage can be checked in EFI vehicles only through full tank to full tank method, wherein customer notes down the odometer reading, that is, kilometers covered, initially, fills full fuel tank up to neck level. Ride the vehicle for 100 kilometers. Then, visit the petrol station to refill the tank up to neck level. Note down the quantity of fuel filled and calculate mileage by simple below formula. Mileage equal to total kilometers driven B minus A divided by total fuel filled liters. Please remember, LFI is not a mileage calculating medium and it should not be used for measurement of fuel consumption. Whenever refueling, fill up to the bottom of the neck portion, insert level of the fuel tank only. Filling above the neck may result in improper breathing of fuel tank and seepage. If fuel filled above the neck, it may lead to running off complaint due to breather blocking. Mileage should not be calculated with respect to the fuel level shown in fuel meter. If you want to check the mileage of the vehicle, please consult the nearest TVS Motor Company authorized main dealer or authorized dealer workshops.